Where to find the best sites. Banking and financial careers. Hello. You want more information about how to provide great phone customer service? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to provide great phone customer service is www.wonderhowto.com. Specifically the page titled Wonder How to Show and Tell for Creators and Doers. Here's the link. You can also try www.apple.com, especially the page Lost or Stolen Apple Products, Apple, How to Contact Us. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site support.microsoft.com. The web page How to change the volume licensing product key on A. This is the link.